Ghost Gang, what is good? It's your boy Sean back with another video, and today I got a lot of questions about these. So as you can see, I got first off, let me say I am not sponsored by these guys. Again, I am not sponsored by them, but hopefully they like the video and we can change that up. But yeah, today's video I wanted to get into this sole premise bag, and basically it's a sneaker bag, but I think a lot of car people would like to travel, and it's a nice good bag, hold 2 shoes, but you can use the compartments for whatever you want, because I got 3 bags that I purchased on my own. One I use for work, and this is one of the ones I use for travel. And you can see this one. This is one of their collab bags. I won't say by who. I won't give a code to support his sales, but if you go on their site, you'll see that they actually have a 40% off code now. Also, you get a free item. But this is one of their commuter bags, and it holds 2 pairs of shoes. We'll get into it, but first you see it's real leather, and I mean it has that smell once you open it up too. And we look inside here. They got they have the 2 compartments here, extra large, holds 2 pairs of shoes, and open that up, set that in there, and the other compartments at the bottom. And they got their standard compartments here, open that up there, get in there. And then also you could put a laptop inside here, or a tablet, but the better one they have is here. Open it up, see the gold zipper, but that's the best part right here to put your laptop in. I think it holds up to a 15, but I wouldn't be surprised if you get a 17 in there. Padding on the back, it's pretty good. You see sole premise, nice tumbled leather right there, nice and tumbled all over the bag. You got the straps, also one that connects in front of the chest if you use that. And then in the front has a huge zipper compartment right there. Put anything in here. And then also another one, which is another design that they did. Boom, more space. It even gives you a little hook there. And this is one of the colors that I went with because it matches my car. I call it the Nipsey Blue. The Nipsey Blue bag. I like it, and I think these are very good bags for shoes, for travel. Everybody that's driving, want to travel somewhere, throw one of these bags in their car and you get to go. Like I said, I have 3 of them. I have a brown one that before they redesigned it, I never really could use the top. So because I wear a size 13 and never fit my shoes, but it's a perfect work bag, perfect travel bag. And I think some people, I know some guys that are into shoes, and this will come in perfect. But for the car enthusiasts, I mean, this is a great backpack all around. You can catch a really good discount on their site. And like I said, I'm not sponsored by them, but hopefully they change their mind, and I can throw you guys a code. So please check out their website. I know for a fact that if you order one of these bags, use their code. I don't know how it works. One of my friends, he just got a bag like 2 days ago, and they put the toiletry bag, which I do have, and also they would give you the toiletry bag or one of the chest bags as a free gift, and I think that all came out to $107.99 plus free shipping. So yeah, give these guys a check, and hopefully if I do get picked up as a sponsor by them, I can show you a couple other bags, because this is their daily commuter. But they have the travel bag, they got the chest strap bag, their signature design bag, which is a really good bag to pretty much all your travel needs. And then they have a duffel bag. So like, comment, subscribe. I also, back to the car stuff, I did a diffuser install from Z01 Add-ons. I didn't record it, but I have some snippets, and hopefully I can put that together, to make a very informative video for you guys. All right. So again, soulpremise.com. Check them out in the link in the description below. I don't have a code because I'm not giving out the code for the collab on this, but Soul Premise actually has a promo, 40% off and a free gift on their website. All right. Till the next one. Peace.